What's up, everybody, man? Today we are in Atlanta, ATL. You know what it is. Where we about to go, bro? We about to go to the skate ring with T.I. and Nunu.
What you trying to pull up on, bro?
I'm trying to pull up on Migos, bro. See what Quavo doing.
I'm trying to see my nigga Offset, right?
Offset. You think he with Cardi? He probably with Cardi.
He probably smacking him right now, bro.
He probably smacking Cardi right now. But yeah, man, we in ATL today. I know we're gonna go to the mall, pull up on Quavo. We're gonna go to the skating ring with T.I. and Nunu. And I don't know, whatever else we can do in ATL.
Kicstan.
Alright, so we just left the mall. We didn't really get any footage because honestly the mall was weak. And you know how people be in the mall, they're like, don't record, you can't record in here, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. But I did get a couple things from Adidas. I got this nice little hat, what y'all think? Y'all like it? Nice. And we did see a Lamborghini truck. Ooh. That thing was fire with it. Yeah. That thing was nice. I wish I was whipping it. One day. Y'all hit that subscribe button. I'll be driving a Lamborghini truck. And I might even get y'all a Lamborghini truck. Shit, one of my subscribers might win a Lamborghini truck.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all. I told this man I only got $1. He told me to go down to the ATM.
Boy, if you don't...
Like I'm really about to walk my half black and white behind down to the ATM just to get you out some money. Comment, leave in the comment section what you would have done, cause
Oh, hell no.
oh hell nah. We about to pull up on Quick Trip. I heard it was lit in the ATL. But yeah, let's get it. Yeah. I told y'all Quick Trip is lit. Quick Trip lit. We about to get lit. I'm about to get me another Fiji. We about to get us some gas.
The destination is on your
and hopefully see some
trip.
ass. Boy, do y'all see this Quick Trip, man? Do you see the line? Like, we literally got... Oh, I was about to say, I thought she was blowing at me. But we literally got to wait in line for gas, bro. I haven't seen a line like this since Chick-fil-A on Valentine's Day when they was selling heart biscuits, my nigga. This shit is crazy. God, look. The man trying to back out, he just pushed that car out the way. Look, you got this Kia trying to back out. He not even done backing out. About to run into somebody. We got the police. This man can't drive. We got the police talking to him on the microphone. I'm trying to wait for this man to go out. Come on. Bring your on, because I do not trust you. Look. We got her. Come on. Bring it. You too. Bring it. Look. There's probably another one. There we go. There we go. Now, can we find us a gas pump? I highly doubt it. I've never had to get in line to get gas. Ever. I knew Quick Trip was gonna be lit. I just had a feeling. Golly. Somebody pull out. All right, so we were gonna go to Commerce, but it's about an hour away. It closes in 2 hours, and we probably have to sit in like 30 minutes of traffic. So instead of doing that, we just found us a nice spot out here in Atlanta. We're just gonna put the drone back up in the air and see if we can get some more sick shots for you.
Kicstan.
I think that's it for today's video. Thank y'all for tuning in. We had fun in Atlanta. That was my first time going to Lenox Mall. I was honestly a little bit disappointed because they didn't really have much. Like, they didn't even have a Champs, bro. What is a mall without a Champs? Like, I don't get it. They did have Louis and Gucci, I guess. It's just for rich people. And I'm not rich yet. Maybe I'll go back when I'm rich and I have a little bit of time. Like I said earlier, comment down below. Let me know if there's some good things to do in Atlanta. I know I want to go to the aquariums, stuff like that, the zoo maybe. It sounds a little childish, but let me know where I should go next. I know for a fact that I'm going to Charlotte, Charleston. I want to go to Miami. That's going to be a difficult trip just because of my work schedule. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys again for tuning in today's video. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Get me to 1,000, man. That's my first goal, first milestone, 1,000. So, like I said, thank you guys again, and see you in the next video.